Okay. Hi everyone. So today I have made a random number simulator on VBA. So let me show you. Okay. So this is the random number simulator. What it will do is we will give the population mean and population standard deviation, and it will generate the samples from the normal distribution, and it will show the sampling distribution. It will prove the sampling distribution. So let me show you an example. So let's say population mean is 25 and population standard deviation is 4. A number of samples say 200 and sample size is let's say 15, and then press simulate. So you can see this data has been generated. Let me show you what is this data. Okay. Okay, so this is our population mean and this is population mean. This is population standard deviation, this is population standard deviation. Now, this is the theoretical mean. We know that in the sampling distribution, population mean is same as the mean of the sampling distribution, and this is the standard deviation of the sampling distribution, which is uh, population standard deviation divided by square root of sample size. So this is our uh, sampling distribution standard deviation. And this is the algebra. This is the algebra. Here also I have shown the same thing. Okay, and this is the actual mean. This is the actual mean of the sampling distribution. Population mean is 25 and actual mean is 25.3. There will always be some difference between the actual mean and the theoretical mean. And same way, this is the actual standard deviation of the sampling distribution. So as I will keep on increasing the sample number of samples and sample size, so this difference between actual mean and sampling distribution will keep on reducing. Let me show you. Okay, so and this is the graph. This is the graph. You are saying this is the graph, and on the right side these are the different sample means. So I have generated 200 samples. So these are the 200 sample means, and this is the frequency table. Like these are the intervals and frequency of 200 sample means. So let's say if the sample number of samples are 300 and sample size is 40. So let's press simulate. So it will keep on simulating. Sample size 50, and accordingly now you can see that when the sample size is 50, so theoretical mean 25 and actual mean is 24.96. So they are coming closer. So let's say 1000 sample sizes, and let's see. It takes some like we when your sample size are high, so VBA takes some time in generating the samples. Let's say sample size is 60. So that's how we can generate different random samples from the normal distribution. I will add more feature into it that will take care of the Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, and other distributions which are available. Let me show you some more examples. Let's say it's so as you can see how the things are changing, how the graph is automatically changing, how the frequency table is automatically changing with the change. So this is the random number simulator. I will add some more features into this calculator. Thanks for watching.